Hello, today we are going to show you how to uh, log in and how to upload the products and how the customers will see the products and how they will order it and what is the payment system preference, something like that. Uh, total product selling software like Vitex BD, where you can sell your product by becoming a seller. Okay, so let's start from here. Like, this is our okay, so this is our login screen. So here, if you log in as a seller, like I'm giving an username password. So this login screen came. After this screen, you will get as a seller, like see, welcome seller Mr. Jain. So here you can get add product, manage orders, manage reviews, schedule drop off, customer return, camping, like bundles, seller voucher, free shipping, seller picks, live stream, seller decoration. Also, seller advisor like accounts health, assortment growth, business advisor, and regarding finance, you will get accounts statement, order overview, transaction overview, something like that. And seller support you will get business know-how, help center, and contact us. And account setting you will get profile, user management, account setting, and templates, API documents, API test tools, sponsored solution. Here you will get camping management, performance report, ad groups, account statement, and learn about ads. Then the logout is here. This way, if you start from here to sell your product, you have to add product. Something you have to click here, add. So you will get one screen like this. From here, you will add the products to sell. Like your product name is something like that. I am giving one name here and browse a product picture from here, like Carnival. Okay, so my product name will be metal t-shirt Carnival. Okay, I'm giving the product name, and then brand name I'm putting no brand, and product code, whatever you can put, whatever you like, and whatever your product code you can add here. And then stock unit code also, it is your stock keeping code, you can write like this way. Whatever is your store management, you can like that. And then product category, you can write here, it's men's or boys fashion, something like that. For here, you can add products description. For description, you can add something like this. If you are a good content writer, you can write your good quality contents so that people will understand about your product, right? So you can add this description here like this, and product materials you can put cotton or 100% cotton or something. The color family you can write black, and what is in the box you can write here it is t-shirt. And then product stock quantity, like if you have 52 piece you can write here, and selling price you can write 250 or 450 taka, and then one t-shirt weight something like that, half kg, okay. And when you fold it, 10 cm length, 8 cm width, and 0.21 cm height. That is the packing instruction, okay. Then if you submit, your product will add in the primarily, but you have to add some more details, something you have to add the your color, your size, and your selling price, something like that. Here is the example for variants. This is called variants. This variants, for your understanding, you can follow, like in color field you can write black, green, red, like this way, and then size field you can write M, L, XL, something like that, and price field you can write the price. So which one is here? Like I'm putting black, and then size medium, and then selling price like 450, and then add variant. Then you will see your product is already add, means your products related information is already add, something like that, your color, your size, your price, this kind of things. And then you can add another color, something like that, green, and product size you can write large. Which item you have in your stock you can add here, and then selling price you can put like 480, and then add variant. That will also add in the details information. So this way you can, as a seller, you can upload your all products in the website. So after that, you will wait for the orders, which one will give the customers. Okay, now I am going to show you about buyer. So the same way, like I am logging out from here, the same way one buyer came and he want to buy something. So what he will do, he will get this login screen and he will log in as his username password, and he will be as a buyer, he will see his dashboard, right. So I am giving one buyer username, means customer. So you see, as a customer, he will get this kind of dashboard, something like welcome customer zohin@gmail.com, and he will get my shopping with Dhaka Mall, and he will see visit, manage my account, my profile, address book, payment, my payment options, vouchers, my orders, my returns, my cancellations, my reviews, my web wish list, and followed store, something, and then log out. This way, he will, as a customer, when he will log in, he will get this kind of things. Okay. So, what he will do, he will first go for shopping. Okay. When he will click on this shopping button, he will get the products which one he can buy, something like that. Collect your voucher and enjoy discount. If there is any voucher related items, then he will collect from here. And there is some Boishakhi, some different categories are there like that. And then these are some for men's, Boishakhi men's. And then here is some Boishakhi cooking. This way, different products he can see from here. So after that, what he will do, he will suppose this item he want to buy. What he will do, he will click here product details. So he will see that in this product he will get two items are there, two type of items are there. One is black color and green color. Black color size M, its selling price is 450, and green color size is L, and his price is 480. Now he want to buy both black and green. He add in his cart. So he will check his cart, like here, click check my cart. He will get his chosen two items are here already, but he want to buy this black color two piece. So what he will do, he will plus click here, and it will increase his quantity as well the total price, and this total price also will increase. Okay. Now what he will do, he will check out, and here his address will already appear here. His full name, his mobile number, his address, detailed address, confirm address, all everything is here. And which items he chose already, that is also a summary is here. Now what he will do, he will place order. He will click here, and then his order will be placed. But now the option will come, total amount including delivery charge is coming 1440 taka, and he can choose here, select Nagad payment, Bikash payment, and cash on delivery payment. Okay, so if he choose the cash on delivery payment, then it will show him that his order is already confirmed, and his order number is this one. Welcome Johin, your order detail is below. Like here, your order number is this, and then other details will be here. So now guys, you understand how to place a order to Dhaka Mall. So thank you for watching, and hope we will give you more informations upcoming days, and stay safe, stay with us. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Goodbye.